Imagine this. You arrive at a hotel after a long trip. The hotel staff smiles and asks, "Do you have a reservation?" But you don't know what to say. Don't worry. In today's lesson, you will learn simple English you can use at a hotel. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. I'm very tired.
Traveling can be tiring.
Yes, I had a long flight.
Do you have a hotel reservation?
Yes, I booked a room online.
That's great.
But I'm a little nervous
Why?
because I don't know what to say at the hotel.
Don't worry.
Really?
Yes, I will help you.
Thank you.
Look, we're at the hotel.
Wow, this hotel looks beautiful.
Yes, it looks clean.
I like the big entrance.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Hello. Welcome to our hotel.
Hello?
Hello. How can I help you?
I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Paul.
Let me check.
Okay,
Yes, I found your reservation.
that's great.
Everything is ready. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 2 nights.
Okay, 2 nights.
Yes.
Your room number is 305.
Room 305. Okay.
Remember your room number.
Yes, 305.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor. Okay.
The elevator is over there.
Thank you very much.
That was easy.
Yes, hotel check-in is simple.
Great job today.
Thank you.
In part 2, you will learn how to ask for Wi-Fi and breakfast.
That sounds useful.
Yes, very useful.
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The Wi-Fi password is written on this card.
Oh, I see it.
Yes, you can connect easily.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Wi-Fi is very important.
Yes, I need internet.
Everyone needs Wi-Fi today.
That's true. Excuse me, I have another question.
Yes?
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 7 a.m.
And what time does it end?
It ends at 10 a.m.
That sounds good.
Breakfast is included, right? Yes, breakfast is included.
That's great.
Free breakfast is always nice.
Yes, I love breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I like eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, and I drink coffee.
Coffee helps you wake up.
Yes, I need coffee in the morning.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I can carry it.
Okay.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let's go to your room now.
Okay,
Here is the elevator.
I will press the button.
Press number 3.
Done.
The elevator is coming.
Elevators are very useful.
Yes, much easier than stairs.
I don't like carrying bags upstairs.
Nobody likes that.
Yes, it's too heavy.
We are on the 3rd floor now.
Yes, let's find room 305.
I see room 301.
Keep walking.
Now I see 303.
You're very close. Ah, here is room 305.
Great job.
This is my room.
Try your key.
Okay, I will open the door.
Does it work?
Yes, it works.
Welcome to your room.
Wow, the room looks very nice.
Yes, it looks clean and comfortable.
I feel happy now.
That's good.
Traveling is tiring.
Yes, rest is important. In part 3, you will learn how to order food and check out.
That sounds very useful. Emily, I feel hungry now.
Yes, traveling makes people hungry.
I don't want to go outside.
Then you can order room service.
Room service sounds good.
Yes, you can order food to your room.
How do I do that?
Use the phone and call reception.
Okay, I will try. Hello, This is room 305.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to order food.
Sure, what would you like?
I would like fried rice
Okay,
and a bottle of water.
anything else?
No, that's all.
Your food will arrive soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. That was good English.
Thank you.
Room service is very useful.
Yes, especially when I'm tired.
I hear someone knocking.
Maybe that's my food.
Go check the door.
Okay, I'm opening it. Room service. Hello.
Here is your fried rice and water.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please put it on the table.
Sure.
Thank you again.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Your food smells delicious.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Eat slowly.
I will try.
How is the food?
Wow, it's very tasty.
That's great.
Hotel food can be very good.
Yes, sometimes it's excellent.
I feel happy now.
Good food makes people happy.
That's true.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
That's great.
The bed was very comfortable.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I went to the breakfast area.
How was the breakfast?
It was delicious.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, and I drank coffee.
Coffee is perfect in the morning.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
Today is your checkout day, right?
Yes, I will check out today.
Let's go to reception.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you checking out?
Yes, I am checking out.
May I have your room key?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Checking out is easy.
Yes, it's simple.
Let me check your bill.
Okay.
Your total is $120.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful.
Thank you.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
We hope you enjoyed your stay.
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
The hotel was very nice.
Yes, the service was excellent.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was a great hotel experience.
Yes, hotel English is very useful.
Many travelers stay in hotels.
That's true.
Knowing hotel English helps a lot.
Yes, it makes travel easier.
Practice every day.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
That's right. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this English listening practice at the hotel. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Smart Learning English, like this video, and leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.